In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sign-up form in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once on your homepage, look to the left menu and find the Sign Up Forms option. Click on it and then press the Get Started button. Here, you'll begin setting up your form. First, select your marketing channel. This determines whether you'll be collecting emails or SMS numbers. Once chosen, click Next. Now decide where you'd like this form to appear on your website. You can pick between options like a pop-up, flyout, full page, or an embedded form. For this example, we'll go with a pop-up. Click Next again. If prompted about a teaser, which shows a small prompt after the form is closed, you can choose Don't include a teaser, which is often less distracting. Click Next. If asked about offering a coupon, you can also decline if you don't want incentives on this form and proceed by clicking Next. You'll then reach the design phase. Here, you can decide if the image in your form should appear on the left, right, as a background, or be removed entirely. Click Edit Form at the top right to customize further. Inside this editor, you can tweak styling options like background color, padding, and margins. In the Targeting and Behavior section, decide when and how this form will appear on your site, like after a certain time or scroll depth. Additionally, under Add Blocks, you can insert different content sections or remove any existing ones by clicking on them, selecting the trash bin icon and confirming deletion. Edit text fields by simply selecting and typing. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish at the top right. Your sign-up form is now ready and can be added to your site. If you want to integrate it with Shopify, we have another video explaining that process, and that's how you can create a sign-up form in Klaviyo.